Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to unhide apps on your iPhone running iOS 18. So let's get started. First of all, swipe the last page of your home screen to go the app library option. At the bottom, you will see a folder called hidden. Tap it and then verify with the Face ID or passcode. Now you will see your hidden apps. To unhide them, long press on the app, then tap Don't require Face ID or passcode option, and the app will be unhidden after you again give the passcode. For example, I will do this for the Google Maps option. Then I completely unhide my apps. Now I can easily search it from the search bar like this. Here you can see, and that's it. Now you can unhide any app with just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.